want to make sure I don't have lipstick on my teeth. Nope. Not gonna focus. Excuse me. No lipstick. I never know the names of my brushes, so I just wanted to do a quick video about, let me think what I'm gonna call this. I don't know, basically like, I guess if I was gonna go out to dinner with my husband for like Valentine's Day, I would do something like this, but knowing me, I would probably end up doing something uber simple. Right here, this is like fake eyelashes and they have given me a fit and I feel like it's not on there good and it just drives me insane. For my eye makeup, I used the Too Faced Just Peachy palette. I like this palette because this palette just makes my eyes pop. And the eyelashes that I used are from EyLure and I got these from Ulta. I think they were like $7.99, maybe $9.99. I don't remember. But these are the Wispy multi-pack number 117 and the description is a messed up wispy classic that will lightly and beautifully elongate your eye. At this point, I don't really know if I want my eye elongated. Not really sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and kind of get started with this whole situation. I've already put, you know, one eye on and I'm just gonna work on this one. This is pretty simple because I'm gonna be using one single palette and not dip it from a bunch of other palettes. The first thing that I'm gonna go in with is Peach Butter. This is just gonna go all over the lid and kind of up into my brow. This is a flower brush and it is an EO1. I think I got it on clearance at Walmart. This is an Eco Tools dual-ended brush and on one end is a smudge brush, on the other end is a crease brush, and that is what I'm gonna use to put the darker part on my eye. I'm gonna use chocolate dipped right here. And I pat it on here because I've actually done my whole entire face and I don't want there to be any fallout, so I just pat it on there like pretty light. It basically looks like I got punched in the face. Then I'm going to go back in with my crease brush with this color, the Peachy, and kind of work that into my crease so that it'll blend it and I don't look like I just got like knocked in the eyeball. You know what I'm saying? Ended up going back in with my Morphe G17 brush. I use that to just blend everything in. I'm gonna go back in with my smudge brush, the Eco Tools dual-ended smudge brush, and I'm gonna use my darker color. I don't even remember what this was. Oh, chocolate dipped. The same one that I used, you know, the darker color on my lid. I'm gonna go and do underneath my eyes. Just need to make sure it's even. Good enough. Now comes the part that I absolutely hate. I hate putting these eyelashes on, but my eyelashes are really, really thin, and for the dramatics of this little tutorial, I wanted to put on eyelashes, and I really thought that I would be a little bit better if I got this handy dandy lash tool from, this is from Tarte, to put them on, but nope, no such thing. And I have a different eyelash glue, but I'm just going to use this one right here from EyLure because it's just going to be easier. I just take it off this little sticky thingy, but you have to do it gently so that you don't rip them. These are like super, super soft. What I do suggest though, and I think that everyone pretty much suggests, is like you put them on your eyelid first and just make sure that they're not too long. I'm going to take off this little end right here and make it a little bit shorter. That way it'll be a little bit more comfortable on my eyes, because right now it's about to drive me insane. Like this one's about to drive me insane, and I think I took it off at least 3 or 4 times and reapplied it. So you want to take your glue and put that on the strip, and I typically apply it on the top part. And what you're going to want to do is just wait about 30 seconds for the glue to actually set, even though I used to not do it that way. I'm gonna wait for that to set, and this eye is so much easier to do, to put on these lashes, than this one, and that's pretty much why I picked this eye to actually show you how to do it. So now that I have that on, which is very shocking, this is the Becca Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm actually going to go back in and dab a little bit of highlighter right in the corner of my eyeball or eyes or whatever you want to say. This is an e.l.f. brush and it's a small smudge brush. And I think this might have been $1. Y'all, sometimes you got to be balling on a budget. You can't just be spending all the dollars. Especially if you're not going to be using this stuff all the time. I mean, I use it a lot because this is part of my job. I would not be spending a bunch of money on this mess because I ain't rich. Let's just be for real. I feel like this is an Urban Decay Glide On eye pencil. It's a 24/7. It's in the color Stag. That is really, really small. And I'm just going to go up here and put a little bit of that on. This eyelash feels redunculous, but it's on there and it works. That is it with this tutorial, and I would go out on a date with my husband like this, but these eyelashes on me, because my face is so small, like I feel like they are crazy, like crazy long. I feel like they are gonna basically walk right off my face. And if they do that all the time. I hope that you have a really good time with your Valentine, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.